In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text appear one by one in PowerPoint. This can be a fantastic way to add some dynamic flair to your presentations and keep your audience engaged, especially if you have a lot of information to convey. Let's dive right into the steps and get you started on enhancing your presentation skills. First things first, you'll need to open up the PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't done this already, find the PowerPoint application and double click to launch it. Once you have PowerPoint open, the next step is to go to the specific presentation where you want to add this effect. Navigate through your files the same way you usually would until you find the correct presentation and open it. Now locate the slide that contains the text you want to animate. Click on that slide and then click on the specific text box that you would like to appear one by one. Selecting the text is important because the animations you will apply are done to the text boxes you've chosen. If you have multiple text boxes, you'll need to select them individually or group them if that's more convenient. Next, with your text box selected, head over to the top of your screen and find the Animations tab. Click on this tab to access a suite of animation options. This is where the magic happens and you start bringing some life to your text. Within the Animations tab, you'll see various animation styles to choose from. You might notice a selection of entrance, exit, emphasis, and motion path effects. For making text appear one by one, consider using entrance animations. These are specifically designed for this purpose. Some popular choices include the appear, fade, or fly-in options, but feel free to explore and find one that fits the tone and style of your presentation best. Once you've selected your preferred animation, look for the option to adjust the timing settings. A crucial step here is to set the animation to on click. This means that the animation will play each time you click the mouse or press a key, allowing the text to appear one at a time as you control the flow of information. After you've successfully set the animation for the first piece of text, you'll want to repeat this process for each additional text box you'd like to animate. Go through each text box, applying your chosen animation and ensuring that they are all set to on click to maintain consistency throughout your presentation. That wraps up our tutorial on how to make text appear one by one in PowerPoint. With these simple yet powerful steps, you should be able to add some exciting and professional flair to your presentations. Thank you for watching and happy presenting.